Hi guys, welcome to As Simple as Possible. In this video, we are going to discuss the difference between feedback and feed-forward control. In case of a feedback control, as we already know, this is a common term that we use. Feedback means after doing something, when we take the feedback from somebody, for example, if we are in a hotel, we ask how was the food. So that is known as a feedback so that we can see what are the areas where we have to work upon or improvement is required. But feed forward control is something new. Feed forward control involves taking steps early so that we can ensure that there is no error. So we can say that feed forward feedback control is used once the damage has occurred, but feed forward control takes is done before the error has taken place. Feedback control is easy to implement. Feed forward control is difficult to implement. Feedback control involves difference between budget and actual, but feed forward control involves original and revised budget because we already revise the budget based on the feedback that we give, the input that we get from the feed forward control. Feedback control is a detective control, whereas feed-forward control is a preventive control. We say detective because once the fraud or error has occurred, we try to detect it and then we try to work on so that it does not happen again in the future. But in preventive control is something like we are trying to prevent any fraud or error from happening. This is very important because sometimes feedback cannot help because there is all so much loss that we have already occurred. So that is why feed forward control are generally applied by enterprises these days because it helps them a lot. So this was all about the difference between feedback control and feed forward control. I hope you liked the video. Please do comment, share and subscribe the channel. And of course, thanks for watching.